All right, if you're here, it's either because you put a good effort to code this and you really got stuck, or because you're lame and you didn't put a good effort and you just want to see the answer to this. So let's just get the answer here. Here's my code. Let's take off our no fill, our automatic. And there's nice standard code for binary search. Now, notice here, low starts at 0, high starts at the maximum index of the array. And here's our nice while loop. Keep going while low stays less than or equal to high. Notice what happens if this condition breaks. When low does get higher than high, you break out of the loop and you send back -1. That's just the logic of it. That means your value is not in there if that's taking place. Here's my finding mid with integer math. If it's lower, move high. If it's higher, move low. Otherwise, it must be equal. Return mid. That's your answer, right? Mid is an index position between low and high. And that's it. I mean, in some ways, it's good. Don't feel bad if you didn't get that code on your own. Every year when we do students in the AP class, probably about a third or half get it after half an hour, 45, 50 minutes. So even though it's only 10, 12 lines of code, it's definitely a stumper for a lot of beginner programmers to get it working perfectly. Test it out, make it work. But now that you've seen it, good. You should have a nice idea how this thing runs. Thanks for watching.